Sir, yes, sir. Back at the warehouse. GoShare. See what they got for the boy today. Oh, drop something. Drop my back. So you see, empty load here. Picking up some tires. Go in the car, man. This is simple stuff you can do in a small sedan or SUV. Easily making over $35 to $50 an hour transporting tires. And all that good stuff. So let's see where exactly we going. So we finished loading and unloading. So like about GoShare, they give you everything. Eh? You got a track when you're loading, slide to proceed. So I'm done loading. Now I got to slide to proceed to the location. Now I'm going to the location, which is in Conyers. This one doesn't give you a mileage situation. Or does? Oh, there you go. Okay. Yeah, so $31. There's Wednesday 26, Forest Park to Conyers. It doesn't say exactly how many miles. Oh, there you go. 29 miles. So a little bit above $1 a mile, which is not too bad. This warehouse location is only about 5 minutes from ECO Suites, my private office space. So went bad, and Conyers is real close to my house, so I'm about to take it on to the house. Load one, get ready for this evening, and chop this video up. All right. See, I had to drop off location. So we are in Discount Tires at the drop off location. Let's go ahead and drop it off and show you what I got to do on the app. This is more a tutorial how to, work GoShare, as well as it's kind of a experience you would have with it. Of course, $30 ain't life-changing money. It's only one route for the day. Usually I can get 2 or 3 of these, if I'm looking at the app constantly, staying on it. But you know me, I got a lot of things going on. I got a business to run, my virtual address, office space. I got drivers for my Sprinter van and as well as other vehicles. I may have a route here in Atlanta. It's only paying about $140 for cars, delivering auto parts. So if you're interested, leaving out the Midtown area, but you got to be available at 6:30 a.m. So that's about $16, $17 an hour. So let me know if you're interested in that, and then I can get you rolling. If not, then stick to these gig apps, man. They worth it. They work. They allow you to boss up and get to the next level, man. Boss up, boss up, boss up, babe. So here is this here. We are here now. Slide when you arrive. Boom. Add proof of delivery.